Happy Wednesday, everyone. I wanted to pop in here and talk about the last couple of days of celebration and also share with you the new Meant to Be workshop that I just created for our Palooza next month. Actually, it's not in March, but it's going to be in April, the 4th and 5th of April. But I'm leaving next month for convention, for onstage, and I'm also going to be going on vacation. So I wanted to share with you this gorgeous workshop because I want to make sure that you get a ticket to come into this event because it is going to be so amazing. And so I want to reference the scrapbooking brochure because it's the only place that you can actually see the Meant to Be products. And I'm going to put this side by side so that you can see this. I will make sure that I give you the link to this PDF because it's only viewable online. And specifically, let's turn to this page. This is the Meant to Be photopolymer stamp set and then the Meant to Be dies. You can get it in a bundle at 10% off. And this is what the dies look like. I did put them on the magnet sheets because they're so substantial and I just was fumbling around with the carrier sheet that Stampin' Up! Provides. So I moved them onto some magnet sheets and I'm a much happier camper when it comes to using these. But this hexagon, oh my word, there's 5 of them, you guys, and they're huge. They're so substantial and I can't wait to show you what I did with these with cards. There's so many amazing things you can do with these for scrapbooking. But the cards were super fun. And I'm telling you, making these bees was like addictive. I had so much fun and I just was playing all day with them yesterday. And if you participated in celebration this month, this little guy, the punch, was added to the freebies with a $60 purchase, and it will cut the large bee out, the body. And then you can use the hearts for wings. You can create flowers with these. Like there's so many things you can do with this amazing punch. So the fact that it's free through the end of February, we've got like 2 more days left, right? Or 3 more days left. I didn't want to have you miss out on this fabulous punch that goes with this die set. And it also coordinates with the stamp set that's in the annual catalog from last year. I should have had this opened so I could have shared this with you. I know he is around here somewhere because I spotted him and I was like, oh my gosh, he's so cute. Of course, and then now I can't find him. Oh, here he is right here. It was the Be My Valentine stamp set from last year. This is still available. And there you can see there's that the Bee Builder punch coordinates with it. So you can essentially get 2 different stamp sets. You could get this one and you could get this one. This one comes with the hexagons, right? This one comes with the hexagons. You can get it in a bundle and then you can get the punch free. And then you can also buy this one for $21. So, oh my gosh, so many endless possibilities with the bees. But let's talk about this designer series paper because, oh my word, it's absolutely beautiful. And I know Stampin' Up! Had a more Valentine Day themed. This exact designer series paper was more Valentine's Day themed, a few years ago or last year. And they reimagined it with the petunia pop, and the old olive. It's just amazing. So this is the front, this is the back, front back, front back, front back, front back, and front back. I love these patterns. They complement the bees so much. And then if that wasn't enough, you can also get the designer series paper, the coordinating cardstock in the 2-toned. And let me just bring this back to your viewing. So right here at the bottom of page 15, there's the designer series paper that you can get. It's called Cute as a Bee. You can get it with the sticker sheet and do Tina's workshops. And then here's the Meant to Be 2-toned cardstock. And you're going to get 2 sheets of Pool Party, 4 sheets of Petunia Pop, 4 sheets of the Bubble Bath, 2 of the Old Olive, and then I already said 2 of the Pool Party. So love the two-tone cardstock. Let me just put the Designer Series paper out of the way and show you these amazing cards. And I was inspired by Pinterest. I scrap lifted probably the majority. In fact, I think I scrap lifted all of them. So a huge shout out to all of the amazing Stampin' Up! Demonstrators out there that share their amazing, beautiful artwork. I was a copycat this time. I couldn't resist. I was in a pinch. I needed to get these cards done. And I really just wanted to take my inspiration from some amazing people out there on Pinterest. So this is card number 1. I loved using the ephemera with this, and it's from the mini catalog. And then loved this Let's Celebrate, and then Happy Birthday. Just some really fun fold and unique cards. This one is a cute little tag, cute as can be. Sending hugs, and this is actually taking the largest die and turning it into a card. So this was super fun to cut it out of the cardstock and turn it into its own little card. And then look at how cute this little fun fold is with that, again, using those amazing hexagons. Absolutely loved that. And then, oh my word, this is probably my favorite card of all time. And look at how cool this is. It is a double flip card. This is going to be so fun to teach, and you guys are going to just freak out at how easy it was. But isn't that so fun? Whoops. Isn't that so fun to see the hexagon paper through here? It's almost like a shaker, but it's not. It's like a fake shaker. And those bees, oh my word, they have my heart. They were so fun to cut out. And then, of course, this is just a super fun easel card. I love making easels. This one was really fun to make. You can put your sentiment on the back and the words that you want to say to your recipient. But look at how cute that bee is. Oh my word, I loved building the bees. And then I love this one. This one is a really unique and different type of fun fold where you open it that way and this piece is not tacked down. So that was really fun. And then here is the last one, our 9th card. Just a nice, simple, and clean card. Again, just using up some of the rest of the pieces that I had already punched out. So that rounds out the workshop. Let's talk about celebration and what is left. And my computer decided to go to sleep on me. So just bear with me. I went onto the demonstrator website and I wanted to see what items in celebration are still available with a $60 purchase. So the trusty tool dies are still available free with $60 purchase. The Builder Bee Punch. There are some brushed brass butterflies. Currently, the Honeycomb Kit and the Happy House Plants and the Alphabet a la Mode are not available. They have sold out. This is another really cool punch, and it's the Happy Labels Pick-a-Punch. That one is available. This is the Planted Paradise Photopolymer Stamp Set. That one is available. The Natural Botanicals is available. And then I want to bring your attention to the butterflies, the beautiful butterflies. It is available. And guess what I have? I have been happily making some amazing artwork with those butterflies. And I'm just going to move some stuff out of my way over here if I can find them. They're kind of buried on my desk right here, but I'm going to just give you a sneak peek at what's coming. And you're going to want those butterflies. Okay, well, I can't find the cards that I just made, but oh my gosh, look at these butterflies, you guys. I have a new sketch that I'm going to be sharing, not this Friday, but next Friday in March. And look at that gorgeous butterfly that I have made. He isn't tacked down yet, but look at how precious these butterflies are. So this is the die set from that stamp set. But look at how fun you can stamp those little butterflies onto the inside of your card. and one of the stamp sets that says, in case you need me, I'm here. And I'm going to show you how to basically do a masking technique where you're going to stamp one side inside the card and then the other one is going to be stamped on the outside of the card. And let me just see. I am so sorry. I should have had this. Here they are. I knew that they were around here somewhere. And they are. Look at these beautiful butterflies. And again, I'm just taking the sentiments from the stamp set that I literally just had right here. This is what happens. I get so excited and then things just start disappearing on me. Oh, here it is. Haha, right here. Okay, so the time to was from here. And then I used the die, obviously, for the butterfly itself. And I did use the embossing, the 3D embossing hybrid for the butterflies under here, which are absolutely amazing. But then Celebrate You, which is the other part of this, and then the U from down here, I used on the inside. So, oh my word, you guys, I cannot wait to show you guys how to make these cards. And it's basically using one pattern 4 or 5 different ways, which is really cool. See, look at that. So just in case you need me, I'm here. And then the happy birthday, because you can always use birthday, and then time to celebrate. So if you're thinking about this set, whoops, I did not mean to do that. Oh no, now we've messed everything up. There's other items that are still available in Celebration. Let me just see if I can get back onto this and go where I was. Yep. Okay, here we go. So there's that beautiful butterfly. I also wanted to share with you that the Night of Navy and Gold ribbon is still available. The Pick a Season, the Friendly Seagulls, Documenting the Day, which is what I used and I'm going to be using on this scrapbooking layout. And I'm just going to be showing you a really fun way to, again, not really cut, but use the titles from that stamp set and separate them out for the title at the top of your page. Super, super fun. I can't wait to share this with you guys. I know, I'm sorry. I hope that I had that in the view of the camera. And then the low inventory on the heart-shaped bundle. If you missed out on this one was free with a $120 purchase. And then the Dance With Me is still available. And then the papers, the designer series papers that are still available are the Bloom Impressions and the Fruit Salad. So I'm going to leave you with that. I've just shared quite a bit with you. I'm super excited. I am going to put a link down below for the supply list for this workshop and the details how you can be a part of it. And happy last few days of February and Celebration. Thank you guys. For those of you that have placed an order this month, thank you so much. I have a couple of guides that are coming to you via email, so I appreciate your patience while I was finishing up the final touches on that. And I'm just so grateful for your support and continuing to share my journey of paper crafting and love of scrapbooking and card making with all of you. Have a great rest of your day and rest of your week, and I'll talk to you all soon.